In this video, I'm going to be discussing the latest side hustle quietly replacing 9 to 5 jobs in 2025. This is a business on how digital real estate is helping ordinary people earn big while doing less. So watch to the end and learn this one side hustle that is replacing 9 to 5 jobs in 2025. So the lazy side hustle replacing 9 to 5 2025. Why this quiet trend is making ordinary people financially free. You're going to find out in this video. So why this matters? Number one, are you tired of chasing stressful side hustles? Or what if you could build something once and earn passively from it? Or a quiet movement in growing and you are about to discover it now. So, what is digital real estate? I will explain in details. Digital real estate refers to owning online properties like websites, blogs, or landing pages that generate income through ads, affiliate link, or digital product sales. Just like physical real estate earns rent, digital real estate earns money when people visit and engage with your content. In a simple term, digital real estate means owning online properties that make you money. And when you liken it to physical real estate where you earn rent, here websites earn income from traffic. So it's basically you having a website or a blog where people advertise their product on or affiliate links. Then you be paid a commission or you earn through Google AdSense or even through the product you are selling. So these are digital real estate. I guess by now you should have understood what it means. As I said before, it is owning online properties that makes you money. All right. So let's further on. Let me give you real examples of real estate, digital real estate. Number one is having a blog about Nigerian recipe monetize with Google Ads and ebook. If you have a blog that talks about how to cook, in that blog, you can be monetized through Google AdSense or you can sell your ebook on that website. So number two is that if you have as another example is that if you have a website about how to care for a dog in Nigeria that promotes pet food via Jumia affiliate link, if you visit some website, you see some affiliate links of different products people are selling. That's example exactly what I'm talking about. All right. Another example is that having to have how to start small business blog and promote business tools and online courses on it. Then another example is a site sharing parents tips or jam exam tutorial with affiliate links to learning materials or sponsored posts. So all these are real examples of digital real estate. I hope this is getting clear now. So, why is it called lazy? Now, there several side hustles, but this particular one is called a lazy side hustle because once you set up your website, this website can run on autopilot. You don't need to be there to for it to earn you money. So once you set it up, you can be earning from it timelessly. And another thing is that you don't need to be tech savvy. You don't need to learn coding or know everything about IT for you to do this side hustle. Then the last point why it is a lazy side hustle is that you can use tools to automate and to outsource content. Tools like AI, ChatGPT, and so many others. You see it at the end as we proceed in this presentation. So that is why this particular side hustle is called a lazy one. So The big numbers, what I mean is the kind of money you can make from this business is that many niche sites aim up to $33,000 to $5,000 a month. And once one owner checks in weekly and watches, ad revenue grows. Once you are watching or you are visiting those websites, just like when you are on Google, you see a lot of ads. Good. The owner of that Google, when you are on YouTube, sorry, you see a lot of ads on that YouTube page. Any ad that is played on any YouTube page, the owner of that YouTube page is getting money from that ad. So that's basically an example of how much people make. You can make up to $3,000 to $5,000 per month. Depends on your niche and how authentic your site is. So why simplicity wins? Number one thing is that you don't need coding. No coding is needed. Pick a niche, create a helpful content and monetize it. So you could pick a niche on cooking, then in your blog, you can be creating content or writing on how to cook different recipe. And when people gain knowledge and people are there's a lot of traffic on your page or on your blog, then you can apply for Google AdSense and you can monetize from affiliate links on your page. You can monetize through Google AdSense. You can also monetize by selling a particular digital product on your page. Another thing that makes it simple is that it's less risky and is more scalable. You can scale up. You can scale up this business. You can make it, you can grow it, and it's not risky at all. So, what are the tools that you can need to build this? Number one tools that you'll be needing, you need a website builder. You can do that using WordPress or CAD. Then number two is that you need AI content tools like ChatGTP, Gamma, and so many. There's so many Jasper. There's so many AI content tools that can help you generate the content that you want to use on your blog or on your website. Then you will also be needing a SEO tools like Uber Suggest or Rank Master. These are tools that can help you to optimize your page for for search, and in that means you'll be getting a lot of traffic to your page. Another thing you'll be needing is a freelancer, just like in Fiverr and in Upworks. You can also use those tools to increase the traffic on your page. All right. So who is doing these things? We have two examples. I cited two examples here. We have Sarah Jenkins, a mom who turned weekend gathering blog into a full-time income, and also Matt Davis, who runs multiple sites, and in that site he outsourced 90% of the work, and all these are generating revenue for him as a passive income without him or she, without both of them not fully involved in this thing. So that's why it's a lazy side hustle. So why you haven't heard about it? Yes, it's not as flashy like crypto or forex, and most successful owners stay quiet to avoid competition. So that is why I'm making this video, to open your eyes to the things that you don't know about, and you are leaving so much money on the table. So if you can create a blog or a website, you can be earning from it. So that is why people that are into it, they don't talk much about it, but they are making a whole lot of money from it. So how do you start? Number one thing you need to do is to choose a niche. What are people searching for? Look for a niche where people are always constantly looking for questions or looking for answer to. It could be a niche on wealth building, it could be a niche on relationship, it could be a niche of on food. So look for those niche and build or buy a website on for that particular niche you have selected. Then the third thing you're going to do is to create valuable content on that niche. At a time as you keep on creating your content, you can start adding monetization, which include ads. If people can meet you to run ads on your page, you can also add your affiliate link to this your page, and people can buy products from your page also using your affiliate link. So it's as very simple as possible. And once you set it up, it runs on autopilot. So final thought is that it is simple and scalable and sustainable also. No need to hustle every day, just work smart. And this is your chance to earn quietly and consistently. So tell me in the comment section if you'll be trying out this, and if you need any assistance on how to get started, write me on the comment section. I will guide you on how to do it. All right. Thank you for watching to this end. Thank you for watching the video to the end. Like this video, subscribe, and share this video if you have gotten um value from this video. Till I come your way. Bye.